AkitaBox's Enterprise Reporting feature paints a clear picture of the work being done and how your team is performing maintenance year after year. Reporting on your KPIs needs to be concise and easily understood by multiple parties. That's why AkitaBox was designed to give you the data you need and the reports that matter. With clarity and precision in mind, Enterprise Reporting allows you to make better predictions of the work needed to be done while also refining the workflows and maintenance being done currently. Have a specific timeline you'd like to report on? In the top right corner, you can adjust the timeline to a custom range of your choosing or some of the preset options provided. AkitaBox breaks it down into a filter-friendly page of data that ranges from all work orders being done, individual contributions, and how much of the work is relying on reactive maintenance. Diving deeper, your facility work is reported at a building level, maintenance type, and trade type. When the time comes to share this information with other groups in your organization, you can easily print or export this information to a PDF for easy delivery. AkitaBox customers have used their reports to identify areas of need, gain greater recognition from leadership, and even on a few occasions successfully made the case for additional headcount using their AkitaBox data. Your hard work deserves appreciation. With AkitaBox's Enterprise Reporting, you'll be prepared to communicate your accomplishments properly from here on out.